How to remove mention in Instagram story. So let's head over right here, and as you can see, this person has mentioned me on their story. So you have the option to add this to your story as well. But since you want to remove the mention, you head over and then click on this. As you can see, there is no option to actually remove it because they're the ones that actually mentioned you or tag you on that specific story. What you can do instead is you can head over and click on these three dots, and then you can report it or unmute this particular story. You can also have the option to actually block that person. Click on their profile right here, then click on this three dots, then click on this restrict, block or report that you can see right here on the red text. So although you won't be able to remove the mention, you won't be able to be reached by that person again, and they won't be able to tag you again on their next stories. So that's how you remove mention in Instagram stories. Hope you helped.